Yeah, viewers all over the world. For some of you that are seeing me for the first time, Eze-Ana Ugochi tubelu n'Oraifite ma ọ bụ ịkpọ m Akachukwu. Abụ m onye isi nchụaja na Ugochi tubelu ọdịnala temple. Anyị na-agba afa miri emi lụkwazi ọrụ mmụọ dị iche iche. Abụgazi m onye isi nchụaja na ọdịnala Restoration Evangelical Mission, bụrụ onye mgbasa ozi ọdịnala Igbo. So you can call me a priest or an evangelist. I will answer. My mission is to help people live better life. N'ụbọchị taa n'oge awa nke eziokwu, isiokwu anyị ji wee bịa bụ what you should know about spell or charms. Yes, how they work. Yes. Mgbe na-achị kọwara gị na spell is real. Manipulation is real. Making charms against you or against someone is real. But I can tell you without missing words that why those things normally catch up with you is because you are having low vibrations. Is one of the reasons is because you and the person, the perpetrator, are operating in the same frequency. It's only possible for the person to get you, to track you down in the spiritual realm, because both of you are you two of you are operating in the same frequency. Let me give you an example. If I'm teaching, I normally give instances for you to understand where I'm coming from. It's like if you want to track any FM, be it authority FM, be it bless FM, be it whatever FM. Once you are within the zone of that frequency of FM, you will track that particular frequency. But if that frequency is on the short wave, if you like, track the frequency from the FM frequency, and they are searching for a radio station that is operating in a short wave, you can never succeed. Start today and end tomorrow, because they are not in the same pedestal. So if you don't like negative people, if you don't like their negative mindset that is smelling, what you have to do is to upgrade yourself to higher frequency, to higher vibrations. I can tell you that that's your enemy. That people in the village, that's your enemy in the where you are living. Those people that want your downfall, they will never succeed. Whether they will try, because we are living in a competitive world where, yes, where envy, jealous, etc. are trending. But I can tell you, as long as you are in this gross material world, somebody must hate you. Take it or leave it. So what I'm telling you, pay attention in today's lecture. How things work. Because why you are falling victim is because you don't understand how things work. Thereby, you are attracting those negative vibrations all to yourselves. Now, before we dive into today's lecture, important announcement. We are in the month of September. Our group ritual for the month is still ongoing. We started this group ritual for over 3 years now. We have massive testimonies. This show to go in the temple, go for all over the world. The friends of the temple, the children of the temple, members of the Restoration Evangelical Mission and consecrated group. To ICMAT, the last day of the month, I get G100 the minimum Sarakana Hadu. Bagota temple, to entities of powers, Jed eventually a buoy in Mesaraka. Kekwazir Handamu, so to ICMA on one. So, what is interested is like he gave me with 4 3 prayer requests. I get an altar. Now, I go for this guy on wow. He gave me make token donation. Charge him na WhatsApp. Can what other details we need for you in order to book you? Yes, one day to work with Makanaja carried all. One cave, what in Babu. Obo child of the temple. Echefuna, na annual festival is coming up on Tuesday, 16th of September. Aturanya na kagi as a child of the temple, they got contribute to your quota towards making it a success. Annual festival I by they celebrate more than a temple. Then Obrumbo Wefes and Ugochi to be. Then Manankedi this year is very unique because Ankedi this year will train one jumbo cobo. Okay, this year I gave a foundation laying of the place of worship of Chukwuoke Premi Henine. So all a special festival. So after I know you're child of the temple, go participate with whatever you have. Remember, all one day we are fans, a show more updates more issue in here. Chat him na WhatsApp. 0805-7837-672 or 0813-8243-871. Now the screen gig have numbers in that point. Now let's dive into today's lecture proper. Just pay attention. Yes, okay, very brief and direct. What I'm telling you about, whether spell exists, yes. Whether to hypnotize someone exists, yes. Whether there is anything like charm, yes. But I can tell you, those things operate within the lowest vibration. Na mmadụ ga-asara enye ule ma ọ bụ som na mmadụ project gị ma ọ bụ na mmadụ send the negative vibration towards you is because, and the thing track you down, is because you're operating within the lowest vibration, and you and that evil doer are operating in the same frequency. In the yes. Now I will say Yule has nothing to do with anybody that is operating in higher vibrations. What you will avoid and pay attention and not to be careless with is hearing on, because hearing on can be poisonous in the sense that hearing on will damage your organs in the body. You got that? Then man ọ no ihe mmadụ nọ na bie na akabash edeghị anya onye a na-eje chọọ ngwere yatago baa ngwere afa gị bido na-agbajisi aka na-agbajisi ụkwụ na welo ntụtụ na-arụ ọrụ ọjọọ na-adụkpọsị ya anya na-ekechi na-eme nke a na-achịfe aka azụ na-eme all these things abarakata abara. It's just something that operates within the lowest vibrations. So it's only when you have atom of that negative vibration that the thing will magnet you. Because in life is all about garbage in, garbage out. Whatever you give in creation is what you will take. No Jupiter will save you. Galatians 6:7, and I quote, God can never be mocked. Whatever you sow is sure you will reap. And one funny thing is that when you are reaping it, you reap more than you sow. That is law of karma. You know why? Let me give you a simple analysis for you to understand how things work in creation. If you plant a seed of corn, nurture it. The time of harvesting comes. You will reap multiple corn. Yes. That is, you will get more than you sow. You planted a corn, but you will reap more than a corn. Nature will make it possible for other compositions, other minerals and nutrients that have similarity with what you have given to Mother Earth, that is the seed of corn. The seed of corn, when it germinates, it will look for other components, nutrients that is in line with the component of the corn. You will attract them all and give you a multiple fold, you the planter. Yes. The same way in the spiritual realm, let me tell you how this is work. In the spiritual realm, we have the center of the negativity. In the spiritual realm, have the center for positivity. So whenever you contribute to the negative vibrations, it goes there. It's like the spiritual store awaiting you. Whenever you do good, you go to the spiritual store for the good. Now, when you operate in the vibration of negativity, you always entangle yourself within the zone of negative vibrations. So because of that, you're operating within the zone of negativity. And another evil man like you now operates within the zone. Two of you are operating in the same frequency. And therefore, the person can track you down. The person can manipulate you. The person can hypnotize you. The person can use whatever. Is it baby? Is it ngwere? Is it anything? And name that thing your name. And begin to kabash. Begin to send the negative vibration from him. That those spell work. And those charm work. They are working because of the energy of the sender. They are working with the energy of the sender. And the more than eso. And when ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ ndị nwụrụ anwụ na-aga ije, they are still alive, but their heart is full of evil. Whatever they take, what they wish people is evil all the way. So when they always wish people evil, evil will surround you. Negative spirit will surround you. They will always be there to do your bidding, because you're gonna have to go 1 and 5 and 6. So that is the thing that is happening. So evil man, umo kureku evil, omumo mereme evil, evil. So what he will do is that if he want to project you or cast a spell or send charm after you, what you do is that he translates his direction into that particular act he is performing or cooking up or sending, because what surrounds him is negativity. So once you project that negative mindset and ask his demons for working with him, because once you are possessed with negative vibrations, it's negative beings that will follow you, otherwise known as demons. They are the ones that will spearhead of that your negative intention. Example, if you see an armed robber or kidnapper, once you send his armed men, is to go and execute the evil mind of the commander. So the same thing, those charms will not work on their own without the negative power projected by the sender. So if there is a way you soil your hands, that particular evil that somebody projected against you will cut up with you. There is what is called laws of attraction. Yes, law of sowing and reaping and law of homogeneous species. So those laws ensure that anything that has similarity, they are going to match. Let me illustrate small thing for you. If you get a magnetor, drop a magnetor on the ground, then bring like a plastic towards that magnet, it will not magnet. Bring paper towards, or green leaf, whatever other things towards that magnetor, it will not magnet. But once you bring anything that contains iron, it will magnet. If you bring something that has aluminium, it will not even magnet, because they don't have anything in similarity. Why charms and negative vibrations spell cast upon you is reaching you is because you are pot, black pot. The same way with the person that is casting spell, the person is dark too. So two of you are mingling together, exchanging vibration. He cast spell to you, you receive, because two of you are operating in the same frequency. But if the person casts that evil and and you develop this aluminium body, you develop plastic body, whatever he said can never touch you, because two of you are not of the same material. The same way, if the person is operating in a lower vibration and he operating in a higher vibration, it cannot get you. It's like you are projecting someone that is walking on the street with you. You can send somebody after him or send negative thing after the person, because two of you are operating in the same Nigeria. If the person is have already airborne, maybe the person have already entered flight, is on the air, and they are sending armed men to his house, will you get him? He will not, because the person is already operating in the air vibrations. That are go airborne. So many animals at the same level. So what I'm saying in the sense that if you don't like negative spell to cut up with you, you don't like negative charm to cut up with you, you don't have those projection, evil men to cut up with you, what you have to do is to elevate your spiritual vibrations. Because the goodness of life you do will form shade of light, shade of protection towards you, and no negativity will cut up with you. That is the reason why you should have altar that speaks for you. That is the reason why you should be living a good life. That is why you should avoid envy and jealous. It kills people. When you always with negative vibration, you think evil, you nurture evil, there is no way a good thing will locate you, no matter how hard you work. So what am I saying in essence? Pay attention in the life you live. Never you take evil against anybody. Never you plant evil against anybody. Never you sow negative seed against anybody. Because when you sow those negative seed against anybody, believe in me, whatever you sow will come back to you. If you sow good seed of negativity and hatred, and you always have the evil against any fellow human being, I can tell you, you will face those negative things you sow and the wish for others. So if you don't like negative people to cut up with you, live a positive lifestyle. Never, don't keep malice. Don't store your heart, fill your heart with evil. Every time work on your own. Stop depending on people and stop thinking about and nurture evil against people. Because once you nurture evil against people, you keep hatred in your heart. Your heart, you yourself, you're already vulnerable. So if anybody anywhere send evil towards your direction, it will cut up with you. So what am I saying? If you don't like negative things to happening in your life, begin today to live positive lifestyle, so that only positivity will always find your ways, so that nothing will of negativity will come to your way, because you already been surrounded with positive vibrations because of positive lifestyle you are living. That is the only way. So if you don't want to escape from evil people, live a good life, sow good seeds, so that ring of light from the light region will always form shield of protection to you. Always na-achụ aja, always there be heading ma, always wish people well. Never you be a hindrance, never you plan evil against anybody, never you take somebody's life, because you will suffer. Why you will suffer is you commit evil against fellow human being, because you brought cheer. So whenever you fight against the person, fight till you die. Let me stop here. If you have any question in today's lecture or you want us to do deep consultation for you, chat me on WhatsApp. WhatsApp number is 0805 7837672 or 0813 May the blessing of Chukwuoke Premier be with you all. Let us pray. Ekwem na Chineke. Ekwerem na ọ dịghị ihe siri m ike nke Chineke na-apụghị isi m ụzọ m ga-esi luwo ya, n'ihi na ọ mazuru ihe niile. Obi m siri ike na Chineke emeworo m ya, ya gazie. May the blessing of Chukwuoke Premier be with you all. May you be protected, may you be favored. May the evil wish of evil people never caught up with you, now and forevermore. Ya gazie. Udo dịrị unu.